Hi, friends, and welcome back. Today's lesson is all about recognizing angles in various contexts. Here's what we're going to need for today's lesson. Use your straight edge to draw a line segment that starts at the tick mark representing the hour of 12 and ends at the tick mark representing the hour of 6. Next, fold along the line that you just drew. What fractional units have we just created? Halves. Very good. Let's now fold our clock again. Go ahead and unfold and then trace along that second folded line. What is the new fractional unit that we've just created? Fourths, or quarters. At 12 o'clock, the hour hand points at the 12. Go ahead and point at the 12 now. At 3 o'clock, the hour hand points at the 3. Use your finger to trace along the edge of the circle from the 12 o'clock to the 3 to represent the movement of the hour hand. What fraction of the arc is that? 1/4. And how many degrees did we just move? We just moved 90 degrees. At 6 o'clock, the hour hand points at the 6. Go ahead and trace along the edge of the circle from the 3 to the 6. How many degrees did we just move? 90 degrees. Now, at 9 o'clock, the hour hand points to the 9. Trace along the edge of the circle from the 6 to the 9. How many degrees did we just move? 90 degrees. Point to the 9 and trace another quarter of the way around the clock. Where should our finger stop at? At the 12. Think about the total number of degrees and number of quarter turns we just made. One quarter of the way around the clock, plus another quarter, plus another quarter, plus another quarter. That's 90 degrees, plus 90 degrees, plus 90 degrees, plus 90 degrees. How many degrees total is that? That equals 360 degrees. And the number of quarter turns we just made? 4 quarter turns. 4 times 90 degrees equals 360 degrees. Place your finger back on 12 o'clock and move your finger to the 6 along the arc. How many degrees total is that? That's halfway around the clock. 90 degrees plus 90 degrees equals 180 degrees. And how many quarter turns is that? 2 quarter turns. On your own now, pause the video here and move your finger from 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock going clockwise. Calculate how many degrees that is and how many quarter turns that takes. Welcome back. Now moving from 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock. That's 1, 2, 3 quarter turns. 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees equals 270 degrees. To help me with our next work, we're going to need 2 volunteers. Who can help?
We can help. Yes, I volunteer.
Great. Everyone meet Cassie.
Hi, everyone.
And Sassy.
Hi.
You both can participate. And you too, students, can also participate. Go ahead and face towards me, towards your computer screen. Let's represent turns by using our bodies. Stay where you are. If you can, show me a complete turn. How many degrees did we all just turn?
A full turn is 360 degrees. Yes, it's just like what we showed on the clock.
Do you agree with them? If so, show me a thumbs up. If not, show me a thumbs down. Great, thumbs up. Everyone face towards me again, towards your screen. This time, make a half turn. Where are you facing? You should now have your back to me, just like Cassie and Sassy. Think, how many degrees did you turn when you made a half turn? 180 degrees. Okay, students, face towards me again, towards your screen. Ready? Show me a quarter turn. Wait, why are students facing in different directions?
I turned to the right. I turned to the left.
Students, who is correct? Cassie or Sassy? Pause the video here to express your thoughts. I'll be here when you get back. Welcome back. What do you think? Both Cassie and Sassy are correct. Both made a quarter turn.
We just turned in different directions. Whether you turn to the left or to the right, you're still turning 90 degrees. No one said which way, just that it had to be a quarter turn.
Everyone face towards me again. This time, make 2 quarter turns in the same direction.
Hey, we're all facing the back of the room again. Yes, because 2 quarter turns is the same as a half turn.
We can say that we all did a 180. You were all facing in one direction, and then we all faced in the opposite direction. Think, when a skateboarder does a 180, what do? They spin around to face the other way. Think, when a skateboarder does a 360, what do? They spin all the way around in a circle. Think, when a skateboarder makes a quarter turn, what does that mean? It means that they make 1/4 of a turn, or they turn 90 degrees. Pause the video here and come up with an example or two of something that might turn. Identify the turn using degrees or turns, and then be prepared to report when you get back. So, what did you come up with? What is something that turns?
My mom turned up the heat on the stove, so she turned the knob a quarter turn. I thought about our planet. Our Earth does a 360 every day.
These are great examples. I'm sure that you all have thought of some great examples as well. For today's assignment, your must-do problems are here on the screen. Go ahead and set a timer or watch the clock for 10 minutes to complete this work, and I'll be here when you get back. Today, we learned all about recognizing angles in various contexts. Great work for today. Be sure to check in with your teacher, and I'll see you around here soon for another Eureka Math lesson.